in this question, we're going to apply logarithmic differentiation to find dy over dx of this problem. So with logarithmic differentiation, what we need to do first is to apply log rule to simplify this problem further in order for us to be able to easily find its derivative. So we're going to apply log on both sides. So this is x e to the y equals to ln of y e to the x, right? And then we know that if you have two things multiplied inside a log, you can split them and putting a plus sign in between, so you know how this law works. So in this case, this is going to become ln of x plus ln of e to the y equals to ln of y plus ln of e to the x. And then you know another law that says ln of x to the n is the same as n ln of x. So you know this law as well. Then we need to break things down here. So this is ln of x plus y ln of e is equals to ln of y plus x ln of e. And then we also know the log rule that says ln of e is equals to 1, right? So you need to recall these log rules. So you see that this part becomes equals to 1. Also this part become equals to 1. So this, you actually, in actual sense, you have ln of x plus y times 1 equals to ln of y plus x times 1. And then this is actually ln of x plus y equals to ln of y plus x. So now we can now and then do the derivatives because we have sort of like simplified this problem further. So yeah, like let's do the derivative on this question. So we're gonna say dy over dx on both sides is ln of x plus y equals to dy over dx of ln of y plus x, right? And then what does this give us? This gives us 1 over x plus, what is the derivative of y? It's just dy over dx, right? Equals to, what is the derivative of ln of y? It's 1 over y multiplied by dy over dx plus 1, right? Fairly doable. The most important thing to remember here is that whenever you derive something with y, you have to always multiply by the dy over dx here. That's why here I multiply by dy over dx. In actual sense, this is 1. The derivative of y is just 1 multiplied by dy over dx. So now we have that working. Let's put everything with dy over dx on one side. So this becomes 1 dy over dx, and then minus 1 over y dy over dx, and then it's equals to 1 minus 1 over x, right? So I just took this 1 over x to the other side, and then the next step here is to say, okay, dy over dx as a common factor, it's 1 minus 1 over y equals to 1 minus 1 over x. Then we just need to make dy over dx the subject of the formula. In this case, dy over dx becomes what? 1 minus 1 over x all over 1 minus 1 over y. So that will be your answer to this question. Right, that will be your answer to this question in actual sense. Nothing hectic. I think it's clean. And yeah, so the most important thing here that you need to know is to know how to apply your log rules to first simplify your problem, and then it's much more easier to get into finding the answer. Right, okay.